In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Panasonic Smart TV or just a regular TV if you're having those vertical lines that are appearing on your screen. I'll show you a few solutions and none of these require you to open up the back of your TV. So let's get started with the first solution. So all you have to do is to unplug your TV, okay? And you'll have to wait a full minute before plugging it back. And while waiting, you're gonna find the power button of your TV. Could be under, like this one over there, or it can be behind the TV. You'll need to keep that button pressed during at least 30 seconds. Don't release it, just keep it pressed. Then when the time has passed, you're gonna plug back your TV, but this time don't plug it into a power strip. Plug it directly into the wall socket, just in case the power strip was the cause of those lines. Hopefully this will fix your problem. If not, well, you'll need to take the HDMI cable that was plugged in the back of your TV and you'll need to connect it to another HDMI port. I highly suggest use another HDMI cable because this may be the problem. So if you don't have a used one, maybe a brand new one, just to test out the theory that it's not the cable fault. So once you take your new cable over here, you're gonna select another port. This one was plugged in port number 1, so I'll put it this time in port number 3. If you don't have another HDMI port available, I highly suggest that you press with your finger on the HDMI port. I know this may sound weird, but maybe something is loose behind it, maybe it's disconnected. Just take your thumb there and press it. If the port is on the other side, just press the other side. And then take your HDMI cable, insert it, and then again press with the cable. Just make sure it's snug there. The third solution is to factory reset your Panasonic TV. And to do this, you need to go into the setup. Then you need to select system. Then select factory defaults. And then you have to press yes. Maybe your Panasonic TV is not having those menus, maybe it's a bit different. You can look into your manual to search and find the exact way to factory reset, and this may solve your problem as well. If everything didn't work, so your TV still has those lines, I have put a few causes here that you can explore by your own. So first of all, by the way, never use glass cleaner to clean your TV screen. This can cause those lines. If not, it can be the T-Con board, the VDS cable having contaminated, the vertical segment drivers, maybe they died, or, you know, it could be many things. You can Google all these keywords with Panasonic TV and find a way to fix each of them if you want to explore these solutions. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please leave a like and comment. If it wasn't, well, still do the same, please. It will be helpful. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you.